You said there's a bulk spot. What I like about the flash ones, you
Can't make it.
just keep right on working.
That one. He's been sitting there. You opened the door, I thought he opened it. That's mine.
I said it one time, that's been your long.
Get better at it. Yeah. One time that drove off the track, it's 916, 580.
Where's the white one now? Oh, right there.
Yeah. You may have to get another 916 from the bottom. That or a 13 or 14 mil, we're running our blower.
We just don't have chalk for days, we got chalk for years.
Oh,
Hey Greg, you know you got workers and then you got supervisors.
Those ain't supervisors, man, they just taking up space.
Yeah.
did you learn a lot from the diamond?
This over here is Matthew, AKA Nibley.
Like a commercial, you learn a lot from a dummy, but I'm not learning nothing.
He earned the name Nibley going to school when we were kids.
Wonder who gave you that one in the beginning?
I think one of the Sox boys gave you that name, didn't
Todd Horton, you remember Todd
he?
Horton?
Yeah.
Him and my middle-aged brother. went to
Hey, there
school.
comes Ralph.
And they played football together. And I was in the field house out there one night at Lebanon after a game, after a football game. My brother and him was in ours, or whatever. Todd Horton said, "Hey, Matthew." I said, "Hey,
What
Todd."
about him?
I just,
Without getting notified.
he said, "Nibbler." He said, "That's what I'm gonna start calling you, Nibbler." He said, "Your brother's Cobb." He said, "You can be Nibbler." Todd Horton put it on, and it's been with me ever since.
Hey now,
Hey, I threw that one on the floor, boys.
that drop shoe's getting awfully catchy
It's
over there.
catching, man, it's catching.
I'm glad he was doing that instead of me, because he knows exactly how he wants it. I don't.
Kinda like it. I believe
The
this-
blueprint's in the brain, it just can't go to paper.
Yeah, yeah.
Right back here. Go back. I'll be done with the plasma cutter in a minute, man. That's my finger.
You don't need it.
You don't use it for much. The only two things you use it for. Hello, this is Jacob's garage, and the other is, all right, how much does that check gotta be for that bill? Only time he uses his fingers.
Ain't holding the mouth right. What is that then? Oh, what's going on with it?
Nope, there it went.
There it is, there it is, there it is. What's going on with it?
He told me it's like that, making people
Don't see
move.
his eyes light up, you'll know he's got,
You got contact.
yeah. We're good. Uh-oh, up to him.
Oh, that hurt.
Never off. Okay, just got Matthew where he
But
held that
couldn't get it
plate.
to get power, now he's got it to where it won't shut off.
Yeah, you know, it's all like static electricity in that little brain head, where it bounces from one side to the other. He's had too many chihuahuas for pets.
Uh-huh.
He probably said, Senor, this is too much for me.
He's the one that rescued the Taco Bell chihuahua.
You know what I had done
He's saving a life.
We'll be walking down the hall and just go, I walk up behind, take both fingers, go like this,
Watch out.
hey, like that. Throw his fist right in there, right there.
He's trying to get somebody hurt, that's what he's trying to
You
do.
know what, dude? I'm starting working.
And the bad thing is I got that all on film.
Proud of me.
I first tried it.
Yeah.
And I got all that on film.
Oh, boy.
Oh yeah, so it looks good.
That's going on YouTube.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
That goes a TikTok short.
All right, get you a chew there, man. Show you what we can do here. Here you go, Jeff. Take these. We don't need these, Jeff. They're just something to trip over. Take them two pieces over there that we cut off, and there's a scrap bin right out there to the left. Back behind that little John Deere tractor. Just throw them in that scrap bin. Let's see, man. I don't know which end I cut off. That goes right here.
Kids on your face. Your kids on your face.
Make her move.
Yeah.
So I marked it, what that is.
That's better right there.
That's perfect
Yeah,
right there.
yeah. Flip it
I think
over.
this end goes that way,
Okay.
works better, Matt.
Flip it over
Turn
this
around,
way.
Turn around. There you go, right there. See, that's a perfect fit right there. See, that fits,
Yeah.
and that fills that gap. And then that leaves this here. What we can do, we build a hood over all this. This will build a hood over this whole outfit where our hoses goes.
I just repeated what we already done for the camera.
We'll cut that right there all off, trim it up. You can weld this right here in, then I'll fabricate the rest of it out for you. But that's gonna fit perfect right there. Probably get you something clamped it or whatever right there, hold it if you want to, or you can wait till you get ready to weld it. You can finish that up over there first if you like.
I done got that plate on over there.
Okay, just got it all tacked
I
up.
just need to get a little small piece of metal and do a little patching of it a little bit.
All right, that works. Good deal.
All right.
If you get that, I'll get started on fabricating something here to hold these levers in. See, they got a set like this right here, George. They got the set up here. Got to build us a rack for these to set in. There's a pin laying here somewhere, George. It goes right there in that. Matt, where's that pin at that goes here? If I had it, I could set this up where it goes so I could build a platform around it. There's a bolt cut off.
I thought it might be here close, though.
Well, what we do, hang on just a minute, I'll go down here and see. I got a box of them. Wait a minute. We need like a piece of a 1-inch board to stick under this. See what I'm saying? It's something about 1 inch tall. So when we build this up here, we know what we're building to.
Rail or what?